Hello there, this is Cheryl from the Total Empowerment Network, and I want to show you guys another marketing tool. So, if you have been following the series on how to get organized, I've been sharing with you what I call Cheryl's Bag of Goodies, where I'm sharing with everyone various tools that you can use. These are different marketing tools that you can start using that will make your day and your task to go by much easier as well as much quicker. This particular tool is called Save to Pocket. Just go to your Chrome Web Store, download it, and then you'll get a icon that looks just like this. And once you click on it, you can save various articles as well as videos. So let's jump in here and see how it works. Let's say that you're searching for something inspirational. I like to mix up my posts, so you don't want your content to always be about your product or your services, all right? So I like to mix mine up. I may have something motivational, I may have something that's funny, something that's informative that gives value. So this particular site, I just stumbled upon it and I really like it, by the way. It's called Living 3, and it has a lot of really cool motivational, inspirational stories in here. So I want to save this to my pocket so that I can keep it there where it's really handy. And when I want to pull some of the text from it, I can do so. Or if I wanted to just share the link, I can do that. So in order to do that, you just click here, Save to Pocket. And then you can add a tag. So I'm going to put in inspirational, but I know I have that tag already in here. As you can see, it popped up. So you can tag various articles. You can tag videos as well. Once you have created that tag, then once you start typing it in, as you can see, it will appear. So this is going to be under the tag inspirational. In order to see the actual article in my pocket, you want to right click. Once again, make sure you right click, because if you do a left click, it's just going to save it again. So right click on it and then left click on Open Your Pocket List. So as you can see, the article is now in my Pocket back office, and I can do a variety of things with this particular article. There are three dots here at the bottom. When you move your mouse over it, you'll see that you can share it. Click on share, and I can share this to my different social media sites. I can also view the original, send it to a friend. I can recommend this article, or I can copy the link. So you can do, all of this, or you can, choose which one you would like to utilize. So let's look at some of the other options here. You can, once again, you can tag it, which is what I showed you previously. When you first find the article, you can tag it, but if you wanted to change it, you can certainly do so. Now you can also click here to make it your favorite, and you'll get a star here once you do that. You can archive if you wanted to just archive it so that you keep your Pocket articles and videos nice and organized. You can do so, or you have the option to delete it. So when you go back to your list here, you'll see at the top that you have your Discover option here and Explore. So you can click on Discover and it will show you different articles that you may be interested in. You also have a search feature here where you can search out different articles, or maybe you're looking for a video that you saved. You can search there. Explore, you can click on it and you'll see that you have even more articles, okay, that is going to show you. So pretty cool. So if you just wanted to just search out here and see what pops up and see if it's anything that you're interested in, all you need to do is save it, and then you do have the share feature here as well. Okay, so you just click there for share, and once you're done, go back to your list. And now you can also highlight the text in an article that maybe you want to copy that and and save it. So if I go here, open up the article, I can just choose whatever text I want, and just use my highlighter. And if you, as you can see here, I've already highlighted this text. So this will save you a lot of time instead of having to go and read the entire article. It's like, oh, it was something in here that I really wanted to copy. And as you can see, this is a pretty lengthy article. So you can highlight it, and then you have that content already highlighted for you. Okay. So once again, this tool is called Save to Pocket. Just go to your Chrome store, download it, and have at it, guys. You know, this is an easy way for you to keep your content nice and organized. I want to thank you for watching. God bless, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.